Hello guys, so today I'll be showing you how to pass the Kawani, the truck depot, without being detected and leaving the place without being detected too. In the beginning it was kind of hard because I just wanted to shoot everyone like with this gun, and it kind of worked. I killed almost everyone and then I couldn't see anyone, and apparently I got detected. I wasn't even inside. So yeah, I figured out another way and I'm gonna show you guys. So let's just get right into it. First, there's the truck with money and you can use that to get in. So
Heads
we're
up.
gonna be doing that.
Unidad patrol approaching.
Oh my god, I hate Unidad. By the way, I am bilingual, so I know what they're saying in Spanish. For any of you guys
all clear.
that might speak Spanish, hola, si sé lo que están diciendo los que hablan español en el juego, y los odio a los de la unidad y odio a estos malditos. There's a guy behind that truck and we need the truck, so we're gonna shoot him. I don't hear. He's talking on the phone with his babe. And we're gonna kill him. So
All
now
good, all clear.
we get in the truck.
Buckle up, people.
Going on
Right,
in.
inside. When I bought this game, I thought it was gonna be like GTA 5. I like telling, like, I'm not psycho here, but like, I know you people that play GTA 5, like, killing your, like, you don't have the driving skills, not even on Ghost Recon, but we're, every part. Yeah, we're gonna get off here. Okay, now. There's no one inside here. I want to use this one because it's kind of quiet. Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. No one in here.
Looks like transit schedules and smuggling routes through the province. This is what we're looking for.
Oh my god, just get the damn picture already, girl. Like,
Heads up, narco with a submachine gun.
no me importa si te probaste lo que sea. Okay, pictures done. Okay,
We've got the pictures we need. Let's clear out.
let's move out. Come down, come down. We're good. We're still good. Now we just have to get on the bus again. We're good. We are good. Get on this. I just
Hold
need.
on, I'll be right with you.
Okay, we're good. Now we just wait. And there you go. That's how you get in and out.
Clear, no signs
Wait.
of alarm.
I'm pushing the
So
intel
I
to
hope you
Bowman now.
guys
This
find
should
this
fill in some of the
helpful.
blanks about Kawani's distribution
And
network.
let me know how it went for you guys and what's your favorite part of Ghost Recon, like the mission that you like the most. And yeah, subscribe and like and click that bell. Bye.